Hello friends, welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by chemistrynotesinfo.com. Dear friends, nitrogen is very fascinating and very important element from periodic table. Today we are going to learn some fascinating interesting facts about nitrogen. Nitrogen element in gaseous form is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere, constituting about 78% of air we breathe. The chemical symbol for nitrogen is N, and it is assigned the atomic number of 7 on the periodic table. Nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule, meaning it naturally pairs up with another nitrogen atom to form N2. Nitrogen is an essential element for living organisms as it is a key component of amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which certain bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form which is usable by plants. This process is crucial for the nitrogen cycle and the plant growth. Nitrogen becomes a liquid at extremely low temperature, that is about minus 195.79 degrees Celsius, and is commonly used in cryogenics for freezing and preserving biological samples. Nitrogen is used in the food industry for packaging and preserving food. Nitrogen gas helps prevent the oxidation and spoilage of food products. Nitrogen is an inert gas, which means it is generally non-reactive under normal conditions. This property makes it suitable for various industrial applications, including inert atmospheres for certain processes. Nitrogen is often used to inflate airbags in vehicles. Its inert nature reduces the risk of combustion compared to using regular air. Nitrogen is a key component in the production of ammonia, which is essential for the manufacturing of fertilizers used in agriculture to enhance soil fertility. Dear friends, you can also visit our website to learn more about nitrogen, its physical and chemical properties, whose link is given in the description of this podcast. Dear friends, you can also get infographics on nitrogen element from our website, whose link is also given in the description of this podcast. Dear friends, we also run a small shop to sell some t-shirts, hoodies, and some frames and many other items. Please do visit our website, and you can purchase from our websites different science printed t-shirts. And similarly, I give the link of the t-shirt and hoodie with the print of nitrogen element on it. Do visit our website and get some products and provide your valuable feedback about our products. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Our bonus tip is that we also make a slideshow of web stories on nitrogen, which you can also get from our website free of cost. Thank you to listening this podcast.